Northeast India Development Party demands recounting of votes in the recently concluded assembly elections for Patsoi. All Manipur District Council Teachers Association threatens of agitations if their salaries are not paid within 15 days. And accident on Imphal Zirbam Road leaves one Jamandar of the 7th IRB dead and another critically injured. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Northeast India Development Party NEIDP Manipur has demanded the DC Imphal West to recount the election results of the recently concluded Manipur Assembly elections for 19 Patsoi. Speaking to media persons at the NEIDP office in Tera, Vice President of the party Narengbam Biswajit accused the returning officer of 19 Patsoi of acting against the NEIDP candidate. Earlier, a rally was also carried out from Tera to Narimthong demanding stern actions against the RO. Vice President of NEIDP Biswajit and Patsoi candidate Sapam Kunjikeshwar, also known as Keba, stormed into the Imphal West DC once the rally was stopped by a team of Imphal West police. They submitted a memorandum to the DC Imphal West. Biswajit said NEIDP respects the mandate of the people and the democracy and that the party will submit a memorandum to the Governor, Chief Minister and Chief Electoral Officer to bring out the truth. He also hoped that the DC Imphal West will take necessary actions regarding the matter. Biswajit said if needed, the party can produce documentary evidence of the RO involving in unfair means. Keba expressed hope that the new government in the state will bring justice to the issue.
One to third chronological order with time duration almost similarity la 4 and 5 say huge gap never. Ani to give yam chow no can believe the manung to the kari tori have a say as shin atum ta abani. Tawata ain get home the karito yage have a say. Masi kaktang mayamgi public mandate pressure mayam singsina. Pirak pa masiki keno mayam sings in the yengo kata. Ngasi the echo the evidence mayam pange. Echoing a simok provide tawzagani, video sulare, echo audio sulare, chap action arogi matakta amadi magi. Kutang da Saliva official sing to gi Matak Chapsab action local Piduna Amadi Ekoiki 19 Patsoi Assembly constituency as recount of you have seen Akogi Chapsab ultimatum.
What Kabashi Port Pobashi Takati the Sule, Aduga, Mapamatam the Sule. What Amakatang Helakaba, I couldn't think as a pada, Anikatang Helakaba am Tenazak. I died a case of crisis lake dev. I want again a Nero Marginda, what Akui mighty over Kugi Kendra, my arm lady. I died a Moikasu, Shigi Kugi. And pinned up to why? I could notice in that development party, Patsoi is the career pinned up lady. Madugini question to Nibadugi, answer to Nakuna, Nasi no Mikarim when a pian Bapamish.
All Manipur District Council Teachers Association has threatened the government of various forms of visitations if the salary of around 6,000 teachers under the association are not paid within 15 days. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, General Secretary of the association, Led Kahau Lovum, pointed out that the salaries has not been paid since last September. He said teachers of education S get a basic salary of 9,300 rupees while district council teachers get a basic pay of just 5,200 rupees. Lovum blamed the government for not taking any actions despite repeated requests. On the other hand, there is a void of about 1,000 teachers for the 40 upgraded schools. He appealed the government to look into these kind of issues at the earliest.
Primary teachers entry scale 9,300 to 20,803. Pangani haina gadget thokrabni. Teachers under education S. Moina di pange. Adupo batu ekoi district council da supiu. Maramdi ekoi responsibility same ni aduga. Ekoi duty susapmanai. Tolok da amana wangba amana nembasi ekoi da government da ill treatment pibasi ekoi yaning de.
An unfortunate accident that occurred around 1 a.m. this morning on Imphal-Zirbam Road has left a Zamandar of the 7th IRB dead and another critically injured. They were traveling in a 407 Tata truck. The accident occurred at Nungkau area under Nungba police station when they were returning from Ziri towards their post at Kaimai, Oinamlong, Nungba after fetching rations. Press sources identified the 7th IRB Jamandar as Paul from Senapati. The driver of the truck is undergoing treatment and is said to be in a critical condition at the moment. Manipur Students Federation MSF has condemned the beating up of Muhammad Safat Ahmad, headmaster of Khergaon Primary School in Khetrigaon, Kaikhu Maning Laikai, Imphal East. He said he was beaten up by unknown miscreants for allegedly banning sales of intoxicants. Addressing media persons at MSF head office, Vice President of MSF, Oinam Prem Sagar, termed the incident as senseless. He said teachers helped build a better society and it is an act of foolishness to beat up teachers. MSF also demanded Muhammad Hero, Muhammad Akash and other culprits involved to produce themselves in 2 days at their office.
Khergaon Primary School gi oja headmaster oibo oja mobu asi staff ki room da asagi Kaikhu Maning Laikai dagi team mamana laaga smaina ko gi oja staff room da changjelaga khut tharamba asi asai MSF ki site gi masi yaninde nisa yon basing da thingjen kojan ba tawrubadagi nisa yoliba singa duna haura kan da ngasai oja da maina khut thabai basi masi ko gi MSF na yam condemn tawjai.
On the other hand, Khergaon Mamang Laikai Muslim Chanura Development Organization termed the statement of MSF as a one-sided story. Addressing media persons at Manipur, the secretary of the organization, Thoibisana, said on April 8, when Hero and his son went out to buy groceries, Safat Ahmad and his associates alleged them of selling intoxicants and beat them up. She further said Hero's wife Ibim was also beaten up when she tried to intervene. When two club members and Maira Paibis inquired about the incident to Safat Ahmad, he told them that it was none of their business. Scuffle broke out on April 11th when Hero and his wife Ibim inquired about the incident. Thoibisana has clarified that Hero's son is neither an intoxicant user nor a seller and added that actions against the culprits will be taken up soon.
Thagdoksida ai isamaki aigi isa yawi maksi marubi loiraga sanat launabagi damakta laaga yumda suti laibani mana laikai gi karino karano khangdabida thoaga lepubadagi laibak thiba thagdoktu da nangkhibani angangsi ngasi dagi na sahi 13 gi mamangda thokiba thagdoksi mana pallaga mafamdu da haibada mari suklai leinadana mana hairakpa wafamdo aina mangonda yamna lana lawi hariba angang singsi siriba matanga maga mari lainai na aigi wakhanda sab chana thajaba thammi adona mari lainaba authority na mage mathakte action lobiu.
Patients in Moray Hospital are facing grievous inconveniences due to the lack of doctors and adequate medical equipment. After locals brought up the issue, Cookie Students Organization inspected the hospital and learned about the issues facing the patients. Due to the lack of specialist doctors, the equipments were found to be rusted. There were just 60 beds, although an announcement was made in 2016 that the hospital will have 100 beds. Education Secretary of the students' body, Lalboy, said no steps were taken by the medical director to repair or replace the X-ray and ultrasound machines, which has not been functioning for quite some time now. There is also a problem of water in the hospital, making it difficult for the medical equipment to be cleaned. Patients are dependent on the packaged drinking water bought by their own. Lalboy threatened to agitate if the government does not take necessary steps at the earliest.
Dentist di instrument lay adiga no doctor ultrasound si laite trainer doctor si laite trained doctor si laite blood bank si room lay storage si laite food testing lab su function taude operation theater su working taude maram di specialist doctor su amasi laite bagi asi function taude mani Moray hospital gi quarter su yam wali fencing su laite aduga hujuk main problem di water ne Manipur government na jingsing biba tadradi khoi more case so civil society organization makhaina khoi agitation yam chauna tawni.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone for National Sports University at Kotruk. In an interview with DD News, Chief Minister Biren said Prime Minister Modi will come to Manipur after the current parliamentary session. It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Manipur Sumang Leela Council organized the 6th Sumang Leela Day at the Sumang Leela Sanglan Palace compound today. This year's Iboyaima Award, which includes cash prize, a shawl and a citation, was presented to Kairao Rajan by Education Minister T. Radhesham at the event. The minister emphasized the significance of Sumang Leela in our society but lamented that people are not absorbing its messages. Radhesham lauded Manipur State Sumang Leela Council for organizing such events every year to promote this art form and for honoring the veteran artist. Advisor of Manipur State Sumang Leela Council, Moirangthem Nara, emphasized the need for the state government to give serious consideration to the Sumang Leela art form, which is capable of uniting the communities of Manipur. Sumang Leela 2015-2016 Fellowship Award was given to Shurjit Maibam of Sanalai Park Daily. Sumang Leela 2015-2016 Fellowship Awardee Herujit Nongmaithim of Thaudang Daily. Minister Radhesham and Chairman of Manipur State Sumang Leela Council Academic Subcommittee Padma Shri Warepa Naba were honored on the occasion. Cultural program performances and this year's Best Production winner in the Sumang Leela Festival, Iramdam Manipur Artists Association's Yening Tha Ama were the main attractions of the event.
Sumang Leela is very important medium idea apoi pau phauna naba samaj da apoi mipung kuding makta pining iba message kuding mak tongan ma lawning iba mawong lawbo ya ba Sumang Leela na apoi samaj da asauba ahong ba ma positive oiba apaba mai ke da ahong ma porok da yam sauna thodang yam lawri aduna tungna su siguma thodang lawbo ngambo oiduna Manipur ki hauri ba naharol sing kaya da apaba aduma samaj sama apaba environment nama Hangan bidana apaba Manipur mo ohin mada mating pango oirisanu haina aina iswar ki mafam na kurumjari Sumang Leela se yam important.
President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, KSH Babananda, has expelled Y. Antaz Khan, BJP Lilong Mandal, from the primary membership of the party for 6 years with immediate effect for violating party's rules and regulations. District Administration, Thoubal, along with the Department of Electronic and Information, Government of Manipur, organized a DG Dhan Mela at Basu Ground in Khangabok today. It is in line with the movement across the country to attain a cashless society. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham stressed the need for our people to realize the necessity of going cashless. Maikai Light Vehicle Passenger Association is threatened to stage various forms of agitations if the road from Kakching, Lamkhai to Wabagai and a decent toilet are not constructed at Kakching supermarket by the 20th of this month by the concerned authorities. Various organizations and people of Kundrakpam and Saikul constituencies held a meeting on the 2nd of this month to form Peace and Development Coordinating Committee. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, advisor of the committee, Athang Waifai, said the committee was formed to improve the living standards of these constituencies and to promote handloom, handicraft, agriculture, horticulture and to bring peace and harmony in the society.
Jingmi Tami Ani Nuxinana, Sanan Leminaba, Hanat Zenedaba, Ekoi Manipur Bokanba, Zawhat Torang Ching Tam Animak Asi, Tong Manana, Zawhat Minaba, Jingmi Tami Animaki, Kendra Animaki, MLA Legasu, Moon in a Menbangam Daba, Aduga Marak Maya de Ladiba, Sing Adu, Ekuna, Karata Sukuna Mensilaga, Labazati, Ani as Tampa Amadi Ching Ani Sibu Nuxi Chineta Sanana, Ekoi Ipai Puhaka, Leminariba. Leminaramba adu yumonda amu hanelak nusinaba haiba asi wafam masida ekoina hariba sangsthana si ekoi lingkhatjabani.
All age pensions provided by the Social Welfare Department were distributed under the initiative of Wangkai MLA Okram Henry at Nongmaipung today. Elderly persons between 60 to 79 years of age are given a red card and 200 rupees per month under the National Social Assistance Program NSAP, Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme IGNOAPS, while elderly persons of 80 years and above are distributed green cards and 500 rupees per month. Deputy Mayor of IMC Maibon Paumei and Corporator of Ward Number 21 Joy Kabui were also present on the occasion. Pensions were distributed to 918 red card holders and 145 green cards holders. Speaking on the occasion, Okram Henry said the pensions distributed today was for 5 months and that he will try and conduct such events in the future again.
We can consider Imaibel Kangdaba Mam Singsu, Tamanga Trupangdri, and the Sudum Kanbasudum Magyari Haitare, Tamanga. Chumamagana Pare, Chumamdragadi, a mail and about authorities in the Hangaga, Karikaina Ora Pada, Quina, Semtopiba, Yabana Semtopirani, Asoivana, Kaino, our Panakai, and the Menkanaba Quito Zabani. Sangai, people of the city government, Gimaka Mukpon Gani, Mased Awara Pase, Kanagomba, Hanaman, Krasutum Yawi, all expense in Pangbadia, Pangandrizekari, Ginonadum Takasuya, Madugumam, the Koyam Tuna, Mateng Panga, Kitang, irregularly using the Kitang Yam Tuna, regularized on Nabaco to Masidu Sengani.
District Legal Service Authority, Taubal, an integrated progressive rural development organization under the supervision of Manipur State Legal Service Authority, jointly organized a legal awareness program at Tangjing Ningtho Flower School, Kayak Sifai, Tangjing today. Speaking as a resource person at the awareness program, Advocate K.H. Arunjo enlightened the people on right to education, while Advocate K.H. Indramani spoke on domestic violence and Right to Information Act. Now to sports news. V. Sai Thamaiban has stormed into the finals of the T.H. Birachandra Veteran Invitation Football Tournament. In the first semi-final played today, V. Sai Thamaiban dressed IVFA Kanchipur 4-0. For the winners, Ambimol Chan netted twice in the match, first in the 8th minute and second in the 13th minute of the match, while K.H. Rajan, Kanganba and N.G. Rajesh scored in the 23rd and 69 minutes of the matches respectively. FC Imphal will meet VB FAM in the second semi-final tomorrow. The tournament is organized by T.H. Birachandra Singh Football Academy, Taubongkok at the academy's ground. YSF Kairang has emerged victorious in the first Paradise Union Pungdokpam Pupu Cup Under-17 9A-side football tournament played at Lamlai High School, Pungdokpam today. In the first league match played today, YSF Kairang beat second MRFC Kabichoy by 3-1. YSF Kairang's Muhammad Madani, Muhammad Sahidur and Muhammad Jalim netted 1 goal each in the 39th, 41st and 49th minute of the match. While in the ongoing second league match, GSC Yumnam Kuno and YLL Kudrakpam drew a match 3-3. The tournament is organized by Pupu Pundongpam and is participated by 21 teams divided into 4 groups. 2 league matches will play tomorrow. 22nd Senior Women's National Football Championship will kick off from 15th of May at Phagwara, Punjab. In a press release, General Secretary, All Manipur Football Association said a trial coaching will be held at Kuman Lampa Artificial Turf Ground on April 16th, wherein 5 goalkeepers, 10 defenders, 8 midfielders and 8 strikers of different football clubs of Manipur are participating. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Northeast India Development Party demands recounting of votes in the recently concluded assembly elections for Patsur. All Manipur District Council Teachers Association threatens of agitation if their salaries are not paid within 15 days. And accident on Imphal-Zirbam Road leaves one Jamandar of 7th IRB dead and another critically injured.